If you've never had your first kiss or you just feel like you're a bad kisser, then this video is for you. How do you prepare for a kiss? If you're anything like I used to be, I would have rather repetitively gotten kicked on my ankles by a Razor scooter than have my first kiss. So today I'm going to teach you how to prepare for it. Number one, preparation is key. You need to invest in a lip scrub and literally scrub everything off your lips. They should be as bare as a baby's butt. All of the dead skin is going to come off and they're going to be so smooth. Number two, tongue scrape. You can brush your teeth and use mouthwash all you want. If you're not tongue scraping, your breath stank. Okay, next, when you're in the moment, you're going to want to chew gum. This is going to kill two birds with one stone because your breath is going to smell good, but you're also going to be creating saliva. This is important because your mouth needs to be wet for a kiss. If it's all dry, it's going to be so awkward. If you need to make saliva though, and you don't have gum, you're going to make tiny circles on the top of your mouth with your tongue. This creates saliva. Make sure before you are using lip balm, not lip gloss or lipstick, because you don't want it to be sticky. But lip balm's good because it'll leave a nice scent. Now that we're prepared, how do you actually kiss? That's going to be the next video. How do you actually kiss? If you've never had your first kiss or you just feel like you're a bad kisser, this video is for you. I've already made two parts. One, how to prepare for the kiss, like the physical stuff you're going to do. And number two, how to initiate it and know it's going to happen. But now we're going to talk about the actual kiss itself. So you leaned in and you've just made contact with their lips. You are going to follow their lead. Slowly open your mouth and do the actual kissing motion. If you want, you can practice on your hand. Make sure to breathe in between it because you don't want to be gasping for air. Make sure you're not stiff. You're going to be moving your head and your lips with theirs. And if you are worried that you are a bad kisser, here is what you're going to do. This is the most important part. You're going to use your hands. You can either cup their chin, that's more assertive, run your fingers through their hair, or even hold their back. What this is doing is distracting them from the actual kiss. You're going to be getting them more in the mood. So if you're a bad kisser, they're not going to notice. Now let's talk about tongue. Only use tongue if they use it first. You're going to do it slowly. Do not stick your tongue down their throat. That's gross. And it's kind of like a circle motion. When they pull away, do not keep trying to kiss them. Let them pull away because that means the kiss is ending. Oh my gosh, what do you do after a kiss though? I'm going to tell you next video. Is it normal to have your first kiss at 12? But a better question is, what is the age that you are supposed to be having your first kiss at? Hi, I'm Annabelle. My entire account answers all of these questions that you are too embarrassed to ask anybody else. So sit down and we are going to talk about it. Here's what we need to address first. There is no perfect age to have your first kiss. If you Google it, there might be an average, but everybody goes at their own pace and that is okay. People have had their first kiss at 12. People have had their first kiss at 30. The better question is, how do you know when you're ready to have your first kiss? And I will answer that. Your first kiss is low-key special. In my opinion, it should be with somebody that you like, or at least that you are comfortable with. Because first kisses can low-key be really awkward. They're not supposed to be the best kiss of your life. So make sure it is somebody you're comfortable with. Number two, make sure you want to have your first kiss. If all of your friends are having their first kiss and you feel like you should, that is not the right time to have it. You're just going to have a panic attack. Like I did. If you know, you know. If you feel like it is something you genuinely want to do and you feel prepared, which watching some of my earlier videos might help you with, that is the right time to have your first kiss. If you have any other questions that I can answer, I will. Leave them in the comments.